God. I think I remembered what is. Wow. Look at it, guys.
Please visit us
Guys,
today
look
to
at
see by
it.
yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. The one and the only Chikwado space is here, guys. Today I will be making unboxing and also review of this package you see here. Some of you can know that the last time I made a unboxing and review of blankets. Today I have another thing to unbox. I have 2 boxes to unbox today with you. So keep watching and let's do unbox and also do the review. You guys know that always I don't know what is inside my box because I almost ordering things I need. Mostly in this winter time, there are a lot of things I ordered. They may come, I may not even know that it's that one. So today we are going to open this now. This came today. Let's see what is here. Boom! Oh my God! I think I remembered what is this. Chikwado space. It to the order. Oh. It to the order. Oh. What do you order again? Guys, let's see what is inside here, please. Let's just take it easy and open it. This one has come with 2 packs like this. God. Okay. So let's see, because I know I ordered another blanket for my children. The one I unboxed the other day, I later ordered another double bed blanket because I want, you know, this cold now in Germany is too much. I don't know if you are living in Germany. Do you see the kind of cold in November? It's too much. Okay, and I decided to get very thick blanket for my children. I don't want them to fall sick. I don't want them to have catch cold. So I think this is what that came. I unboxed and made a review of the big double bed last time, and I later got another double bed, but I did not unbox it here. So today I decided to still unbox this. This is a 1-person decade. That's a single bed decade. Okay, blanket. Okay. Yeah, so this is the single bed. Let's see how this one is going to be. It's going to look good or small, I don't know. But I saw this online. I saw it online and we decided to order it for my children. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, I thought it's 2. I thought there is 2 inside here. This is 1. So this is red. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's one of my son that like red color. He's choose to get this particular red color. Guys, look at this. Is also good. It's not too bad, but I can never use it to compare that first one. That's a double bed decade one. This is a little bit light to compare with the one I unboxed last time. Look at it. Just look like velvet, but thick velvet. Look. Let me see. Let me show you the wideness of this blanket. Look at it. It's not too wide like that, but it's good for one person. This is a 1-person decade. It is not bad. It is okay. And look at the length, guys. Do you see the length? This is not bad. This is not bad, guys. So this is one of the decade or one of the blanket or double. What? This is the one of it. This is the red one for single bed. So let's see this one here. This is another brown. This is brown, or can I call it off color? Brown and white. Oh, this is a little bit lighter to compare with the double bed. Why did they make this thing to be a little bit lighter? I don't know. because there is a lot of much cold here. Well, I call it in November. It is a lot of cold. There was a day like that, snow fall everywhere, and everywhere was too cold. So we need something to cover ourselves very well. That's why I decided to order single bed for the children. Yeah, so maybe, yeah, this will also go. This will go when they wear their winter clothes for sleeping winter clothes. They will use this to cover themselves. So this is also the same size with the red one. Look at it, the same size with the red one, and that is it here. So let me know if you're going to order for your children, for the single people that have a single bed. If they have single beds, just get one for them. If they have double bed, like I did, you can also well get double bed for them. So here is another thing. Here is another thing we are going to unbox, guys. This is a Viral food blender, or we can call it a food meat grinder. Okay, food meat grinder. Look at the name here. It is viral on TikTok. If you don't know this, that means you are not on TikTok. I've been seeing it and say, okay, let me order it and see if I can use it to be blending like mine when I want to cook like plantain fufu, or like yam fufu, or potato fufu. I can use it to blend it, or something like tomatoes, like that. Can you even okra, egusi, or bono, anything at all, you can use it to blend it. But I think I will keep this one for blending some of other things, because I have already blender. And let's see what we have, if at all it worth what I do see on TikTok, guys. Let's see it together. Let's watch it together, guys. Oh my god, there are some of them, they say there are 4 or 3 in 1, but this is what I got. I got this like this. Wow, look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Do you see it? This is how it is. Let's also open it and see. Let's open it and see, guys. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh, there are a lot of tile inside. Oh my god. So oh my god, this is the only one. This is only one. That's the one I used to see, that they say this 2 or 3 in 1. You have different types, but this is another thing. I hope this will work. So this is what is inside, how they package it. So let's see if this is how this. Look at it. Look at the paper, what you can read, and set it. And I'm going to set it now, guys. Let's just set it here. Yeah, let's set it here. Look at the, oh, this is if I want to use it to make family food, that means I'm going to blend 2 or 3 times before this will be okay for the family. It is a little bit small. It's not big at how I thought. Okay, and this is another part of it. Look at it here, and this also. Okay, look at it. This is things inside it. They have also different blend you can use to change, yeah, to blend it. Look at the knife you can use to, yeah, to, oh, it has like 3 blade or 4 blade inside. You have 4 blade inside, and also have this, guys. I'm going to fix it now, and also see if I can. Okay, see the main engine. This is the main engine of it, guys. The thing to plug. Let's just do it faster. Yeah, look at it. You can use it to blend vegetable, meat, carrots, whatever you can use it to blend, guys. Let me see if I can fix it immediately. So this is how it looks. Let me see if this is the size for this one. Oh, this I have to check this. Okay, let's talk about the glass one. Let's do the glass one. Has different. This is this for this. Then you put this here. You cover it. When you cover it, then you can now add this here. I think so. Then you now close it. So you don't need to make it to be too tight. Then you can now plug it. You can now plug it. Look at it, guys. If you have not bought it, this is how it looks. This is a small one. I think it's like different sizes. This is the small one, and this have two things inside here. You can be changing the cover. Yeah, you can be changing the cover. Okay, you see, look at it. You don't need to make it to be hard. Look at it. So this is when you are going to make like if you have a baby, a small baby, you can as well use it to blend carrot, blend like vegetables, and also give it to the baby. So this is what I got. Somebody may ask, how much do I get this? This is 25 euro. 25 euro and some cents like that. So look at it. Me, if you ask me, I did not fancy this too much. I did not fancy it. This is too small. I don't know. This is too small. Yes, but anyway, it's manageable. So if you want, you can as well get it. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to say, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to order, or have you ordered before. Thank you so much, and bye for now. Bye.